Hi Math Wizards! Today we are going to have a look at subtraction with regrouping. Okay, so what we've done is we've moved on from doing subtraction with expanded form, and we've taken our numbers and we've squished them back into standard form. So let's have a look at this question. We have a 2-digit number take away another 2-digit number. Now notice when I write my subtraction questions in expanded form, I always start with the bigger number, and then I have the smaller number on the bottom. Because we're going to start with 52 of something, and then we're going to take 37 away. So for example, if I had 52 pom-poms, and I took away 37 of them, how many am I going to have left? So the bigger number always goes first, the smaller number goes next. So just like with addition, we are going to start in the ones place. So I'm going to put a line down the middle here to show us our place value columns. We have the ones place here, and we have the tens place here. So if I have 2 ones, can I take away 7? I can't. So what I have to do is I have to go next door and I have to borrow or regroup. You can use both words to explain what we're doing. So I'm going to take 1 10 from our 5 tens, which means I have 4 tens left. Then I'm going to take that 10 and I'm going to bring it to the ones place. So if I add a 10 to 2 ones, I have 12. So now I can say 12 take away 7 is 5. And 4 take away 3 is 1. And my answer is 15. Okay, so let's have a look at a 3-digit number take away a 3-digit number. Now again, notice my larger number, 973, is on top. My smaller number, 238, is on the bottom. So again, we're going to start in the ones place. I will put my place value columns here to help me. Okay, so let's start in the ones place. If I have 3, I can't take away 8. So I'm going to go next door into the tens column. I'm going to take 1 10 away, which is going to leave me with 6 tens. I'm going to bring that 10 over here to make 3 into 13. Now I can subtract. I have 13 take away 8, which is 5. Now I have 6 tens take away 3 tens is 3 tens. And now in the hundreds column, I have 9 hundreds take away 2 hundreds, which is 7 hundreds. So my answer is 735. All right, let's have a look at another 3-digit number minus a 3-digit number. Now in this question, we are going to have to regroup or borrow more than once. Okay, so first, let's start in the ones place. 0, take away 9. I can't do that, right? So I'm going to go next door and I'm going to borrow. So I'm going to take 1 away here, but if I take away 1, I'm going to have 0. And I'm going to bring the 110, over here. So now I have 10, take away 9 is 1. Now let's go to the tens place. We're left with 0, take away 6, which we cannot do. So we're going to go next door into the hundreds column. Take away 1 from here, we have 2 hundreds left. Bring that over into the tens place. Now we have 10, take away 6 is 4. And 2 minus 2 is 0. I don't have to write the 0 there because I already know that I have 41. If I put a 0 in the hundreds place, it doesn't change that my answer is 41. We just don't need to write the 0. So our answer is 41.
So in our math book, we have a page that looks like this. It says subtraction with regrouping at the top here. Okay, and our first page is 2-digit numbers, take away 2-digit numbers. And we also have a couple, just one 2-digit, take away 1 digit. So I'd like you to do this page, do the whole thing. On the back of this, we start practicing 3-digit numbers, take away 3-digit numbers, and then we have a few 3-digit, take away 2-digit numbers. And then finally, we have this page here. Now there is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 questions on this page. You only have to do 5 questions. So choose which 5 you would like to do. We're gonna do one together here, okay? So let's have a look at this question. So we have 525, take away 327. If you would like, if it helps you, you can put dots in between the numbers to help you notice your place value columns, all right? So in our ones place, we have 5 take away 7, which I cannot do. If I have 5 candies, I can't take away 7 of them. I don't have enough. So I'm gonna go next door, I'm gonna borrow. So I'm gonna cross out my 2, take away 1, which leaves 1 here, and then bring my 10 over here. So then I have 15, take away 7 is 8. 1 take away 2, cannot do that. I'm gonna go next door into my hundreds column, take away 1, so I'm left with 4, which means I have 11 in my tens column. 11 take away 2 is 9. And then we have 4 take away 3 is 1. So I know that the numbers are quite small on this page, so you're gonna have to write really carefully. And it will help you if you have a sharp pencil. So even the pencil I'm using might not be sharp enough. It was kind of tricky for me to show my regrouping. If you look at it, you can notice it, but if I had a sharper pencil, that would have been better. So don't make the same mistake as Miss Shannon and make sure that you have a sharp pencil. All right.